Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to print a large Excel sheet on one page. So, let's dive right in. First, open the Excel sheet you want to print. Make sure all your data is visible and organized the way you want it. Next, navigate to the Page Layout tab at the top of the screen. This tab contains all the options you need to format your sheet for printing. Under the Page Layout tab, you'll find the Scale to Fit group. Here, you can adjust the width and height settings. Set both the width and height to 1 page to ensure your entire sheet fits on a single page. Now, let's check how it looks. Click on File and then Print to open the print preview. This will show you exactly how your sheet will appear on the printed page. Once you're satisfied with the preview, it's time to print. Click on Print, and your large Excel sheet will be printed on a single page. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.